We are at Freedom Park in Bengaluru, the only part of the city where people are allowed to protest. This protest was called by ISA in support of CJP demanding the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. But as you can see on the ground, a lot of the activists, residents and students have come on the ground in support of the demand.
Young people are also coming, and all of them really angry at the scenes that they're seeing on their social media feeds. I'm not saying on their TV screens, but the scenes they're seeing on their social media screens of what's panning out in New Delhi. Joining us is lawyer turned stand-up comedian Arnab. Arnab, what time did you reach here?
I reached here about 4 p.m. Yeah.
And the crowd has been swelling.
It's been growing non-stop, yeah.
What made you come here?
I was here yesterday. I think just every concerned citizen is facing the same thing, that accountability needs to be done. And yesterday in the evening after coming, we were told that there's a potential that what's going to happen in Delhi, that they might not be allowed to do their march. So we said in every other city, if people can turn up, then you can't make this issue go away.
My friend went and she was on the ground and we were really scared for her, and she said that she personally got the effects of tear gas, she got the effects of lathi charge on her ankles, and then she had to run. And and there were the water jets too. I don't like hearing it when people say they are apolitical right now, because when grave injustice happens and you stay apolitical, you're by default choosing the side of the oppressor. It's a peaceful protest, and there's the myth of the perfect victim, that they have to be 100% innocent and 100% helpless for their cause to mean anything. But protest is, in a democratic country, what else do the masses have but protest? So, उठ बे साले बहुत हो गया तेरा. Actually बहुत नहीं हुआ है, and there's going to be बहुत. You have to respect existence or you have to expect resistance.
I'm here because I have had enough of it. It's been many, many years, and finally something is in the air and I'm here to support it. Zindabad, Zindabad. Zindabad, Zindabad. Zindabad, 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 Zindabad. कुछ भी कर लो, आजादी, हम लोग रहेंगे. आजादी, आजादी, मनुवाद से, आजादी, हिंदुत्व से, आजादी, शक्ति संघ से, आजादी, नहीं छोड़ेंगे, आजादी, आजादी.